Hello Internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori. I almost forgot my intro, and today I have an update for the Colourpan Project Pan. This project was created by Misty. As always, she'll be listed down below, and because this is a Fantastic Ladies collab, the master list will also be listed down below. I have been having such a bad day with words, and of course today's the day I want to film. So stutter with me through it, and let's jump into it. So we have two things rolling out. One is a disappointing rollout, but one was a goal hit. So let's talk about the goal hit. The goal hit was for Rhapsody. My goal is to use this palette 5 times, and I definitely did. I hit the 5 uses on August 15th. I really like this. I do really like yellow eyeshadow. Colourpop was definitely my first brand to expose me to yellow eyeshadow, so love that. This has to get thrown out. This is the Colourpop Super Shock in Ice Dream. First off, it just fell out. Second off, it smells. And it's discoloring. And I've never had that happen before. I was gonna put it on my eyes, and then my better judgment said don't. My goal was to hit pan on this, but this is going in the empties trash bin. That's disgusting. I did not have that long, but I also think I got that from a mystery box. So, sucks, it happens. That's the gamble you take when you buy mystery boxes. So, before we talk about what is rolling in, let's talk about what is remaining. And I ain't gonna lie to you, there was no progress there. So, starting off with the oldest, it's the Disney collab Big Tough Girl, the Mega highlighter. My goal is to use it 15 times. Since the last update, I used it once. It has 14 uses remaining. These items were not in my rotation in the month that I've been starting to actively wear makeup again. So, my fault. Their time to shine is going to be next update. The High School Musical blush. This is the blush Playoffs. I am wearing it today. It's been used twice since the last update. It has 17 uses remaining. Ideally, I would really like to have both of these roll out. If I can't have the blush roll out, because I am panning a decent amount of blush at the moment, I definitely want the highlighter to roll out. But one of them needs to move, because they were supposed to move before this update. And then my eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I have the Colourpop gel eyeliner in Good Reef. Oh, I forgot. Mine's a little busted. A very pretty pinky coral. My goal is to use it 8 times. I think my goal was to use it 10 times. Since the last update, I haven't used it, so it has 8 uses remaining. That is also going to be a goal for next update. So I'm thinking, get the highlighter out, get the eyeliner out. And now let's talk about the new guys. So, the palette that is rolling in to replace Rhapsody is the Thumper palette from the Bambi collection. This is one of my only cool tone palettes. My goal is going to be to use it just 5 times. I'm very excited to use it. I've been wearing like the same makeup look over and over again. So I'm happy to implement some other colors into it. And the Super Shock that is getting rolled in is called Moon Daisy. It's actually from the same collection as Ice Dream, but smells like a Super Shock and not... I don't even know how to describe how the other one smelled. So my goal with this will be to hit pan. I did put it on right before filming, just to really see the color, and honestly I could throw it with a lot, and I think it will pair really well with Big Tough Girl. But that was crazy. I honestly didn't expect that. I'm kind of like a little thrown back, or caught off guard, if you will. But yeah, a short and sweet update for my Colourpan Project Pan. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all that jazz. And I will see you all next time. Bye!